Kok soalnya ini aku ngandelin. Oke, berarti yang di laptop tamatin aja. Oke, biar nggak keganggu ini yang di laptop timbul tenggelam nih. So I'm gonna leave it so that ya. Oke, leave the meetings. Oke. Nggak apa-apa, nggak ganggu. Oke. Ah, Mbak Yayu, is everything okay? You can hear my voice, right?
Alhamdulillah. Yes.
Oh, bentar. Dipakai dulu. Let me put on my hat like that. So, my favorite hat. Can we start the test for today, Mbak
Yes.
Yayu?
Yes, Pak.
Okay. So, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you, Mbak Yayu Fashiro? How is everything?
Alhamdulillah, everything is okay, Pak. How about Pak Fitri?
I'm good. I'm busy as a bee, but Alhamdulillah. It's good to be busy, yeah. And I do apologize to start off with to keep you waiting like until today. Yeah. It's supposed to be yesterday, and for some reason it's not. It's not. I wasn't able to join the schedule yesterday. Yeah. I hope you don't mind. Okay. So how do you feel today? You feel
Uh,
nervous?
little bit.
Little bit. I
Yeah.
don't think that will be a problem for you, but yeah, yeah. You will be
Insya
just
Allah.
fine. Can Before we start off, can you slide so the PowerPoints? I think it hasn't in the mode that I can see the full screen.
Wait.
Oh, okay, no problems. It's going to be the last examination, isn't it?
Yes.
Or not?
Yes. This is the last exam.
You The last. Okay, good. You can click the right button in the corner. Right. Okay. I think the no. Go to the right. Go to the right.
To the right.
That's left. Yeah. Right. Right.
Oh,
Right.
okay.
Come on. Go again. Yes. And you go down. Yes. Okay. Nice. Okay. Before we start, how many slides do you have?
15?
Okay. 15 is quite. I think it's okay. Good. Yeah. Uh. Well. Before we start, I would like to explain the housekeeping briefly, as you know, and I think you already know this. No, no surprise, yeah. Mbak Yayu Fasiro A3201802227 ya. Hierarchy of Human Needs in Just Mercy Movie 2019 directed by Dustin Daniel Cretton, a humanistic study. Very
Yes.
interesting title, yeah. Before we start off, there will be only two sessions for today, which you already know for sure. The first will be you presenting the whole slides, yeah. Hopefully as short as possible, so we can go to the next session, which is the last that I'll be waiting for, question and answers. Yeah. So there will be a list of questions for me to ask about your research. Yeah. And who is your main supervisors?
Mrs. Dewi Chandraningrum.
Okay. Okay. So okay. Well, do you think you're ready? If you think you're ready, you can start off. Yeah.
Yes.
But yeah, yeah.
Yes, Pak. I think I'm
Okay.
ready.
Please. Yeah. Take your
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
time. Go ahead.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon. Thank you to the Honorable Mr. Fitri Kurniawan, MED, as my examiner today, who has taken the time. So today I can presenting my research paper with the title Hierarchy of Human Needs in Just Mercy Movie 2019, directed by Destin Daniel Cretton, a humanistic study. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Yayu Fasiro. My study number is A3218. I'm in 2018 0227 from Department of English Education. My presentation consists of 5 chapters. Chapter 1 is Introduction. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Chapter 3, Research Method. Chapter 4, Finding and Discussion. And the last chapter is Conclusion. Let's move to the chapter 1, Introduction. Based on George Floyd case by Banda Octavia 2020 has research. George Floyd case was happened on May 2020 when he bought a cigarette in a store. Then he paid for $20 bills, but the store employee said that the money was fake. So there are so many similar cases happen in the United States are reported in the mass media or literature work, such as movie. According to Wijayanto, 2002, movie is one of the part of film drama, and film drama is a part of literary work. So this is accordance with Endra Swara in Albertine. Literature and psychology can be symbiotic because they are deal with the human issues and uses human as the subject of the study. Just Mercy and George Floyd case has the similar story. Just Mercy is a movie that released on 2019, directed by Justin Daniel Creighton. This is adapted from the memoir with the title Just Mercy, Justice and Redemption. This movie told about the story of young lawyer named Brian Stevenson, who worked in states of Alabama, and he takes a case with the death penalty. There are 6 clients on there, and Johnny D is one of them. Johnny D case happened. Johnny D case was happened because Johnny D accused that he was murdered a young woman from white community people. Her name was Randa Morrison, and there is no something can provide that Johnny D is a murder. So Brian Stevenson tried to investigate to provide that Johnny D is not a murder. So Brian Stevenson's journey as the main character in the film Just Mercy, especially when he defends Johnny D, is a process in meeting his level of need as human being. It can be analyzed using humanistic theory, while to find out what Brian needs, the researcher uses Abraham Maslow hierarchy of human needs theory. Let's move to the next slide. From that statement, I divided the problem statement into 2. First is, what are the main character needs that motivated him to defend Johnny D? And then second, what do the main characters to fulfill hierarchy of human needs according to Abraham Maslow's theory? Next slide, literature review. Here's some previous study. First, from Lestari, Waluyo, and Wardani on 2019, which examined the novel Tiba Sebelum Berangkat using content analysis. And then the result shows the main character shows action that reflect human must meet multi-level of needs. It's shown from the content of the novel that provides a storyline about the conflict of human life in general, such as religion, gender, and love. Second, from Zulhana on 2021, analyzed the hierarchy of human needs in the main character of novel Charlotte's Web. He found that the main character succeed in fulfilling his needs. Security needs is the most dominant needs needed by the main character. And the last, from Martian, 2019, uses the novel Me Before You. Try to analyze the hierarchy of human needs, and then the result show that the main needs of the main character is psychological needs, after that safety needs, love needs, and the last esteem needs. Next slide is underlying theories. First, understanding needs. Human needs is something that is needed by humans to maintain a physiological and psychological balance. Human needs are individual needs that stimulate response to maintain the integrity, wholeness of life. According to Maslow, 1970, human needs are represented in hierarchical form of human needs, which is divided into 5 basic levels, namely psychological needs, safety needs, love needs, self-esteem needs, and self-actualization needs. The basic concept of the establishment of Maslow theory is the humans are motivated by a number of basic needs that are the same for all species, do not change, and come from genetic instinctive sources. These needs are not only physiological needs, but also psychological needs. There are 5 levels of Abraham Maslow theory of needs. First, psychological needs. Physiological needs. Physiological needs, also known basic needs, such as drinking, eating, sleeping, air, and home for living. And then safety need or security needs. This need is freedom from fear, anxiety, stable, and protection. Number 3 is social needs, the needs for belonging and affection, also love needs. Number 4, the need for appreciation or esteem needs. The need for divided into 2. Self-esteem includes self-confidence, competence, and freedom. And then appreciation from the other. And the last, the need for self-actualization. This kind of psychological need to grow and to be the best version of a human being. Chapter 3, Research Method. The type of this study is descriptive qualitative, and type of the data and data source divided into 2, primary data and secondary data. The primary data is Just Mercy movie 2019 and the script of the movie. The secondary data is references that relate to the movie, previous research, journal, film website, and the others. And then the object of the study also divided into 2, material object and formal object. Material object is Just Mercy movie itself, and the formal object is the main character's need. Method of collecting data. First, researchers watch the movie repeatedly and carefully, and then after that, read the script, take notes and capture some important information from the movie and the script. And then after that, it identify the data, and the last is analyze the data. To checking the credibility of the data, researcher using triangulation method. And technique of analyzing data, researcher uses data reduction, data display, and draw the conclusion. Chapter 4, Finding and Discussion. The first finding is to answer the research question number 1, the needs of the main character that motivate him to defend Johnny D in the movie. This is provided from the conversation between Walter Macmillan or Johnny D and Brian Stevenson. Walter asked Brian why Brian became a lawyer and working for people can pay you nothing. And then Brian answered, when I was teenager, my grandpa was murdered, but no one no one except his community cared because to them he was just another black man killed in the project. That's why Brian Stevenson doing this. Brian knows and feel what is looked to be insignificant, which is why he went to the state of Alabama and became a volunteer lawyer. And then another change after Brian, at the retrial, of Johnny the case, Brian speak out in the front of the people and the judge. If we say we are committed to equal justice under law, to protecting the rights of the every citizen, regardless of wealth, race, or status, then we have to end this nightmare for Walter McMillian and his family. From that statement, Brian also fulfilling his life's needs for security and to feel protected. He also didn't want people in his community to feel the same way, so he did that. According to him, justice must be served, regardless of ethnicity, race, religion, and skin color. Every human being has the right to live properly, safely, peacefully, and without threats, and receive fair treatment. Main character needs analysis. This is to answer the question number 2. First is psychological needs. This is provided from script page 15, text 15, that described at the time Chris put some Lincoln on the couch as Brian sits at the table with Eva and Doe, almost done with the dinner for Eva and Doe, water for Brian. Eva is Brian's partner as a lawyer, and Doe is Eva's husband. In this case, Brian has succeeded in fulfilling the basic needs with help from Eva. As I said before, the basic needs include drinking, eating, and sleeping, air, and home from living. Number 2 is safety needs. In this case, Brian's security was disturbed by the threats that come from him and Eva. This is happened at right after the dinner time. That at that night, a random male guy called Eva and then said, "That guy that put the bomb under your house, that gonna blow your family all to hell. You all don't stop helping that nigger Johnny D. Next time there won't be no warning." The other terror is come after Brian come back from the prison after meeting Johnny D, and suddenly older officer pointing a gun in Brian Stephenson's head also said, "You gotta be careful with your word when you got a gun to your head." And this is a descript from script page 53, take 15. Brian can see how hard this is for him. It worries him to putting other people on the line. So in this need, Brian Stephenson experienced anxiety. This is accordance with the Maslow that states when someone fail to fulfilling this need, they will experience anxiety. The criteria of the anxiety, one of them is feel worries. The next needs is social needs, or need for belonging and affection, also love needs. It's provided when Brian will go to the state of Alabama. Brian and his mother, Alice, make conversation in front of his house, and Alice said that what about the fact that you are precious to me, and I'm going to have to worry about you in ways I never had to before. What am I supposed to do with that? And after that, Brian and his mother hug each other. Maslow in 1987 states that cultivating love and affection can start from the family. for example, by expressing love and affection with words from parents to children and vice versa. Brian's need for love and affection was met from people around Brian itself, such as his family, especially his mother. The next is the need for appreciation that divided into two, self-esteem needs and respect from the other. Self-esteem needs can be seen from Brian's confident attitude and remaining calm. Also having the freedom to do whatever he believes in. Because after the terror, Brian still investigates the Johnny D case. While respect from the other, Brian got from his mother that said his mother very proud of Brian for having dared to take action to serve in the state of Alabama. According to his mother, it was a fairly high-risk action. Alabama is an area with high level of racism. The last is the need for self-actualization. With Brian becoming a lawyer and truly investigating the case of Johnny D, is a form of fulfilling the need for self-actualization through developing the potential and abilities that exist in him. Brian previously studied at Harvard University, majoring in law. And then Maslow in Ruswati 2019 said that this method also a form of fulfilling self-actualization in a way that is beneficial to others. Accordance with that, what Brian did with the aim of helping was something that could enhance his experience. Brian has succeeded in actualizing himself through the Equal Justice Initiative by continuing his work as a lawyer. And this is figure 4.11, Equal Justice Initiative Office. The last chapter is conclusion. Based on the result of the research, the researcher can conclude that his grandpa incident left a wound of its own that made him realize that he had to do something. He didn't want others to feel what he felt, and that situation, Brian was also trying to fulfill his need for security through his role as a lawyer. Then he decided to become a lawyer in Alabama. The hierarchy of needs that Brian as the main character tries to fulfill in the film Just Mercy are as follows. It is seen that Brian's character fulfills physiological needs in the form of eating, drinking, and shelter, while in Alabama, through the help of Eva, the need for security. To meet these needs, Brian experienced a problem that is anxiety. The needs for love and belonging, Brian fulfilled this need through the good relation with his family, especially his mother. And then the need for self-respect, it showed through Brian's attitude of confidence, calm, and freedom opinion. While the form of fulfillment, the other people appreciation he received from Eva as his work partner, and from his mother, who was so proud of Brian's decision to become a lawyer in Alabama. Lastly, the need for self-actualization. Brian actualized himself by devoting himself through the legal institution he formed, namely the Equal Justice Initiative. Also, Just Mercy, directed by Destin Daniel Cretton, is not just a film for entertainment. There are many useful things that can be taken from the film that can be useful for life, including the patience and persistence that Brian showed when he investigated the Johnny D case, and Brian's patience in upholding justice for the sake of creating a safe and peaceful life. Thank you. I think that's sir.
You're welcome. Thank you. Why don't we have applause for your presentation? It was a clear one, yeah? Thank you, but yeah, before I got into the list of questions that I already have, I come up with a lot of questions, by the way. hopefully I can state every question. Before that, I think you sound and you look familiar to me. Have you joined my class before?
Yes,
I
Pak.
remember Yayu. I think it's only you, Yayu, Fasila,
Yes,
maybe. But so you have ever joined my class before?
yes, I have
What class was it?
speaking and
Okay.
apa ya satu lagi?
So okay.
Yes,
So I was not mistaken, right? I was right, right? But Yayu is I think your speaking is fluent, by the way, and I think the way you present today, I think it's a good one because you're not keep on reading, but you also try to eliminate what is on the slide and what do you understand and one of the things you want to share. Can we start with the first slide? Can you show me the first slide?
yes, sir.
And yeah, I'm actually interested in no first slide.
First slide.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Human hierarchy of human needs, and this is quite interesting topic to research. But I should ask you, tell me how did you come up with this title? Um, why do you research this very particular topic?
Uh,
Why do you think you need? Mm-hmm.
uh, I have watched this movie in pandemic situation at the time on 2020,
Mm-hmm.
and I love the role of Bryan Stevenson or Michael B. Jordan. I
Okay.
have watched several movies that Michael B. Jordan as the main character at the movie.
And you loving it.
Yes, and then I
Mm-hmm.
think it's related uh, to the situation uh, at that time. So I just this title.
Okay, so where did you got the human needs issue in in relation to the movie? Okay, I think I can understand. You've been watching the movie, then you kind of connected with the movie, but what about human needs? Hierarchy of human needs. How did you get there?
I got this when I scroll down about literature theory and I read
Yeah.
some of them, and I think this one is quite interested for me, so I choose this theory.
Why do you think it is
Uh,
interesting and you need to research?
uh, I feel that human should understand herself first to understand the other.
Okay, I like that. Humans should understand himself or herself before understand others. Wow. Okay, so you take it personal, by the way, but I like that. It
Yes.
means you understand the artworks that you chose. Yeah. Okay. So let's go ahead with the characters. Tell me one of the most favorite characters in the movie.
uh, of course, Bryan Stevenson as, eh, of course, Michael B. Jordan as Bryan Stevenson is my favorite.
Why?
I don't know. I think that Michael B. Jordan always apa ya, Pak? Cetar gitu loh, Pak. As a main
What do you
character
mean?
at every movie
Okay.
that I have watched.
So you talk about him in personal. I mean, let's talk about him in the movie, in Just Mercy movie.
Oh,
So what quality do you think he has as a character, not as not as a human and your idol, but let's talk about him as the role that he plays here. Because I'm asking you this, just wondering if others characters may be even better than the characters in the movie. So
uh,
yeah, what is it?
mm, pardon, sir. I forget. Sorry, sir.
like okay, you're missing out. There's no problem. So it's like what's the name of the characters in the movie?
Brian Stevenson.
Brian Stevenson. So
Yes, sir.
why do you like Brian Stevenson
He
in the movie, in this movie? Why not others? Because
is very passionate, sir. Even though he
what do
got
you mean?
some terror, but he still
Okay,
investigated the case of Johnny D.
okay. So for you, it's cool, yeah.
Yes,
Why not others characters?
because Eva or Johnny D sometimes feel like, oh, I should menyerah, menyerah because
Give up,
yes, give up because
give up.
they got lots of terror and they feel worried about the people
Yeah,
at there.
not like him, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, okay. I think I will be okay with your answer then. Well, thank you. Yeah, you have just answered my question. Now let's talk about I don't know how long have you finished this research paper writing? How long did you take for this? Do you
Uh,
remember?
from February.
This year? So how many
Yes,
months? February,
February.
March, April, May, June. 4 months? Wow.
Uh, 5 months, sir.
5 months.
Yes.
Okay. Do you think it's short, it's long, or it is longer than you expect and plan? Do you think it's short, long, or I don't know, just so?
Just so, sir. Just so.
Are you sure? So what about what was your plan? Was it your plan to make it like 5 months
I have no
or
plan.
longer?
I have no plan to
What
finish
do you
this
mean? What do you mean?
research paper. I just, I just do.
Okay, that's quite innocent, yeah. To go start writing research and say, I don't know, I will just do it. I don't have target.
Yes.
Well, but thank you, yeah. I think you've been honest to me, and I think 5 months is very short. Congratulations. I think. Do you think you can make it even shorter, less than 5 months?
No, because I'm
No,
lazy person,
no.
sir.
Well, 5 months doesn't show that you're lazy. Then, okay. Do you think it was a 5 month research writing easy one or not? Do you think? Do you think it was easy?
This is
Do
not easy,
you
sir,
think?
especially to find first word at the background. I change it a lot.
Really?
Yes,
Why? Why is that happen?
because I think it's not suitable with uh, the result of this paper. So yeah,
Mm. Yeah, that's where background should should be well written, right? Because it's actually show where the research paper will go. Excellent. Now let's talk about the challenge, the problems
the
you face. And I think there have been many problems and challenges, I know, but can you tell me one of the biggest one in
biggest
your research
challenge,
paper writing? Was
biggest
it the
challenge.
consultation? Was it the theory? Was it, I don't know.
The
What do
biggest
you think?
challenge I think is when I try to find the book of Abraham Maslow theory
Yeah.
uh, at apa ya at purpose at library. There are a lot
Yeah.
of the book of Abraham